butcher paper, and I would design an airplane, cut it out, cut it into the foam, and
okay, it's connected.
And put it together and go fly it. Yeah. Oh, battery's dead. Yeah.
Okay.
Battery's dead.
You alright, Lisa? You need some ice or anything?
I'm fine.
I'm
too mad.
Ibuprofen.
No. Thank you.
Oh no.
Ah!
Try and land on my head.
Oh, I want my legs to work. Get me out.
Cut your hair. Your hair cut and blade. Oh my god, this stuff right here is really, really fun. It looks like some kind of putty. It even feels like some kind of putty. But it is not. It's an eraser. And it's some kind of like flawless eraser. It's called kneading eraser, like kneading bread. This is kneading eraser, and it works really well, and it's like a really fun putty too. What it is, it's like it's hard at first, but once you stretch it, it gets a little softer. Haha, that's what she said. But anyways, yeah. So that's a floss eraser. Alright, I'll write my name on a piece of paper here. And I'll show you how, yep, dropped it. I'll show you how the eraser works. And then you know, it'll just like erase itself on the eraser. It's just gone. It's really fun now. You can even draw on it and stuff. It's cool. But yeah, I bought it only for like $1.70 at Hobby Lobby. Last night I drew this Yoshi. I thought I did a pretty good job on it. It took me like 2 hours to do. Like, drawing takes a lot of patience. I'm not that kind of person that has patience, but apparently I can draw, and it's relaxing, so I can draw. But anyways, I'm gonna start doing maybe some drawings a lot more. But yeah, Yoshi, woo. Fail. Got it. Out of bullets. If anybody is into card tricks, I'll show you a fast and easy card trick that you can do. Just basically shuffle them a couple times now. Let me get the jokers out really quick. I don't know why. I'm just going to throw them away right now. Joker, Joker, in the garbage. Alright. Shuffle them. Alright, they're shuffled. What you want to do is just basically memorize the bottom card. Ace of diamonds, ace of diamonds, ace of diamonds. Always keep that in your head, ace of diamonds. Okay, you're gonna lay out the card deck and have them pick a random card. Say they pick that one. Alright, you're gonna lay these cards out in the random piles. Doesn't matter how many cards are in each pile. Just lay them out randomly. Best pile numbers are 4 to 5. 4 will do. Right here, but 4 to 5, any will do. And this little stack here, you want to keep to yourself. Alright, they're gonna show you, or they're not gonna show you the card, but this is their card. Alright, and you're gonna say, alright, place them on any of the piles. Keep an eye on which pile they place it on. Say they place it there. You're gonna take your ace of spades or ace of diamonds on the bottom here. You're gonna lay it on top there as a marker. Then you're gonna take these cards, lay them all in a pile here. Alright. Then you're gonna put the one with their card in the deck on this pile. Now the ace of spades is on top of their card. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna say, I'm gonna lay these out in random piles. 1, and you're just gonna act like you're counting, but you're not really counting. See, there's the ace of diamonds right there. That was the bottom card. That's the marker. There's their card. Keep an eye on that card. Memorize that card. Then you're just gonna count this randomly like you're counting it. Then you might want to do one more just in case. Alright. That should be good. Their card was a 3 of hearts. Don't say that yet, but you gotta memorize that. 3 of hearts. You're gonna go T-H-R-E-E. That spells 3. Then you're gonna spell O-F. And then H-E-A-R-T-S. This is called the count pile. The 3 of hearts is counted in this pile here. And then the rest of the pile, you're going to say this is junk. Remember, you're going to count in your head. Never count out loud. Alright, so you're going to take all the junk piles all together. You're going to mix them together. Okay. This has their 3 of hearts on top. Don't show this, but there it is. Okay. That's going to go on top of all the junk. Then the count pile will go on top of the 3 of hearts. Okay, now to end this trick, all you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, imagine your card into the deck. Then you're going to act like you're reading their mind, and then you're going to say 3 of hearts. They're going to be amazed, and then they're going to do this. Here, you're going to go 3 of hearts, okay? T, H, R, E, E, O, F, H, E, A, R, T, S. That's both 3 of hearts. There's your card. That's how you do the that card trick. It's really, really fun, and it gets people real easy. So, yep, there's my favorite card trick to do. Cool trick, so trick your friends.